to recharge my batteries. Jake, who are these people? Really? Why? A showpiece? Wow! Well, let me introduce myself. My name is 2.0, Robin 2.0, and I'm a world-class spy for the